Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and unlock Snapchat account if it's permanently locked. So for that matter, let's say your account got locked and you haven't violated any of the guidelines. You haven't been using a third-party source for your account to be locked. Then for the matter to unlock it, first of all you will have to go to your Snapchat. Once the Snapchat app is open, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this profile icon above, tap on the settings icon, and you're going to scroll down, tap on this option called I need help option in the support section. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead, go to the search bar and type in, shouldn't tap on unlock my account, which will simply show you this option called my account is locked. Go ahead, tap on it. So once this kind of interface, and if you scroll on it, then you will find this my account has been locked because it was compromised, and you can see have been compromised, contact our support team option over here. You're going to go ahead, tap on it, and this will show you the submit a request option. What you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, scroll down, tap on this username option, enter the username of your account that has been locked. Then you're going to enter the email address that is connected with, same with the mobile number, and in description you're going to simply write down, hey Snapchat team, I haven't violated any of the guidelines, I haven't been using a third party for the Snapchat to use, please unlock my account, I haven't done anything wrong, I'm still waiting for your response. Gonna do that, and once you're done writing your description, you're going to tap on the submit option. Your request will be submitted, and once they have the solution or have unlocked your account, you will simply gonna find a notification regarding that in your email address that you have just entered over there. So this is the way for you to get your account unlocked. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.